Okay guys, welcome back to Practically Creative. This month's color is green and we're doing some frogs. Let me stand Mr. Frog up there. We're going to use both of our hoops today, the magnetic hoop from Sotec and the dime magnetic hoop. You'll see, because I'll give you a little glimpse of each of the stitch outs, but you'll see which one I use for which. And then I'll tell you for sure at the end, in case you aren't familiar with the hoops and you don't know which one's which. Now, did you guess which one's which? If you're familiar with the hoops, you already know. But this little sitting frog, I used the dime snap hoop, or the dime magnetic hoop for. And I had to change the embroidery thread in the middle of it, which is why he's sitting off to the side. I may give him a flower. And then this one, I used that Sotec hoop for. And the back of it's a little bit cleaner, although it still has some of that paper stabilizer on the back. But I appreciate you guys hanging out and watching. Don't forget to go check out Sylvia at you&meFPP. And wherever it goes, I'll put her sticker up here for you so that you can go check out Sylvia. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in July. Have a great day.